So the whole point of the next 5 or 6 podcasts here is to get us really familiar with graphing using our TI-84 calculator, all right? So here we go. Grab your TI-84. We're going to take this equation, which is right here, x squared minus x minus 6, and we're going to put it into our TI-84 calculator. Okay, so let me just bring it up here. Here's my TI-84 right there. First thing you want to do, you want to hit this y equals 2 button right there. That y equals 2 button gets you into about 9 or 10 different spots where you could put the equation in. Remember what the equation was? It was x squared. So there's the x value right there. If you want to make it squared, no problem. Use the squared button. Boom, like that. Minus x. There's the next part of it. And then, of course, it also said minus 6. There's the original equation. Now, the easiest way to do this is hit graph, which is right there. Boom, that's what it looks like. But sometimes your windows might be totally messed up. Now, hold on a second. I'm going to put this on pause. I'm going to mess up the windows, and then I'm going to show you how to do this and bring it back to kind of like a standard position. Hold on. All right, I just messed up the windows. Look at your graph. Look at your calculator. You're going, Easiest way you can look at your calculator is just to see what the window settings are is hit this. Window settings. Look at my crazy window settings. Oh my gotcha. What's wrong with this? Well, tons wrong with this. You can't see the graph. So best place to start when you're doing something like this is always hit zoom. And right down here, right here, it says standard. Okay? Now, what does zoom standard mean? Zoom standard means you're going to get an X, right? Y coordinate axis, which is standardized, which means minus 10 to 10 on the axis. So you're going to have a lowest value of minus 10. You're going to have a maximum value of positive 10 on the x-axis. And on the y-axis here, it's going to be from 10 to minus 10. That's what this is. So you're going to have a lowest y setting is minus 10. You're actually going to be called a y minimum. And the highest setting right now for y is going to be 10. So this is going to be a y max. That's how it's going to do it. And that's what zoom standard is all about. That's what zoom 6 is all about. So let me just clean this up. Okay, and watch what happens when I can either mouse down using my cursor here, mouse down to 6, or from as soon as I go to zoom like this, I can just hit the number 6. Boom. Look at that. Boom. It brings in, and if you notice, here's your minus 10, here's your positive 10, here's your positive 10, the y coordinate, here's your minus 10 on the y coordinate. Look at that. And this beautiful graph, boom, fits beautifully in there. If you're ever in a position where you have to change things around a little bit, then that's where the windows comes in. And we'll show you how to do this as we progress through this course.